Hello and Namaskar. My name is Shilpi. I'm from TNT Realty Services, Gurgaon. Today I'm here to showcase you a very nice builder floor in Sushant Lok Phase 2, Gurgaon. So come, I will give you the floor details here. So this is the 500 square yards built-up floor, which is north facing, and it's a 4 BHK floor. Here we start with the puja room. Here we have the puja room. This is a very huge drawing room. Come, I will show you here. With the attached balcony. So चलिए अब ड्राइंग रूम से निकलते हैं और आते हैं अपने किचन एंड डाइनिंग एरिया की तरफ. So जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, it's a very huge and spacious area with the lobby. And now after this I will take you to the kitchen tour. So लीजिए अब हम आ गए हैं अपने किचन की तरफ. Thank you. So here is the spacious with all the fittings and tech fixtures done in the kitchen. As you can see, there are multiple, almirahs, which is very easy to use. You get chimney, you get hob, you get microwave, you get grill, you get oven. Plus, you get these types of drawers, multi-utility drawers everywhere in the kitchen. So चलिए, अब kitchen से हम चलते हैं अपने favorite spot पे, which is where we want to sleep, relax. So I will give you a glimpse shot of the master bedroom. So it's a very spacious bedroom with the balcony attached and also a attached washroom. Plus we have a lot of wardrobes over here. So this is our master bedroom. So इस bedroom के बाद मैं आपको लेके चल रही हूँ second bedroom में. So here we are at the second bedroom. Now what do we get over here? We get attached washroom plus a living closet over here. So this is our second bedroom. So अब हम second bedroom से निकल के जा रहे हैं अपने third bedroom की तरफ. So चलिए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ third bedroom में हमें क्या क्या मिल रहा है. So here we are at a third bedroom. जिसमें you get all the balcony attached as well, along with the wardrobes attached here, and also we have a washroom attached. So here is the look at the washroom. चलिए अब मैं आपको लेके चलती हूँ अपने fourth bedroom की तरफ. So हम आए यहाँ से. This is our dining area, and here we have the fourth bedroom, which is front facing to the balcony. Right? Come, I will show you the closets and the washroom here. So here we have multiple wardrobes. So this is the real picture of the washroom. You can see all the fixtures and the set fittings have been done for you. So it's ready for use. You can just come and start living here. So after the tour of the house, now we come here at the balcony, which is a long, full, wide balcony, approximately 4 to 4.5 foot. And here we have a park. So you can see at the back of my place, we can see it's a park and it's surrounded by all the greeneries. So I've given you all the information related to this site. For more information, you can contact us on the number mentioned below and we would be happy to serve you.